Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can start dropshipping using Shopify and CJ Dropshipping. Now, CJ Dropshipping is a very interesting platform that we're going to go in great detail and talk about. Before we do that, we got to understand what Shopify is and find the reason why a lot of people are interested in this particular platform. Now, if you can dream it, you can sell it with Shopify, and you can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs are choosing Shopify to build their business. You can bring your vision to life with their easy to use store creators, and there's no coding expertise that is required at all. And you can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers. And that is one of the reasons why I personally feel that Shopify really stands out, because one of the added features that they have and functionalities that you get is that you have the App Store, which is available online, where you can install extensions from trusted Shopify partners. But even more than that, one of the major effects and competitive advantage that Shopify tends to have is the fact that you can connect with customers everywhere. You can sell online, in person, or both by using the marketing tools and social integrations. And obviously in today's time and age, one of the major things that we have in our power is the social media. And when you can harness that power and use it for your favor to increase your sales, then what is better than that? And obviously by creating an account on Shopify, you get all this. So if you don't have an account, don't worry guys, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. And then everything that you need to succeed is gonna be on your fingertips. You can manage your inventory, you can track your payments, and view real-time business insights from a single dashboard. They have built all the tools that are required to create a successful and scalable business. And that is the reason why you can focus on building your business and not worry about what, how, and where things are going to be done, because Shopify takes care of that. And one of the things that I personally feel the reason why Shopify has gotten so much traffic is the fact that there are millions of merchants that are available worldwide on Shopify. And obviously one of the major things that you need to understand before you get into the dropshipping business is the strategy that you need to have and how you need to implement that particular strategy. With millions of merchants available, you can look at what people are doing, you can understand what mistakes that they've made, and obviously learn from what they have done and apply those successful strategies to your business. And when you look at multiple people that have been working in this particular niche, in this sector, and developing their dropshipping business, you'll be able to select different strategies and then incorporate them into your business and then scale and grow your business. With the Shopify being available in 175 countries, you can ensure that there are always going to be customers that will want to get and go to buy items from. And obviously with your Shopify account and with your store for dropshipping, and if you follow everything we're telling you to follow, you'll be able to create a successful business. They have an economic activity of $444 billion. And obviously that creates an amazing opportunity for you guys to ensure that you can get at least a piece of the cake or some crumbles of it, which is going to be enough for the rest of your lives. And combining all of these elements together, you have their support that's always going to be available for you. So what do? It's quite simple and straightforward. Just go on the top right hand side corner and click on start free trial. And once you do it, sign in, and this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left hand side, you're going to have your orders, your products, your customers, analytics, marketing and discounts, your online store, as well as all the information that's provided. Now, before we head over here and open the store and look at all the other different elements that are available, let's head over to the main website, which is cjdropshipping.com. Now, obviously, we know for a fact that there is a lot of elements that are available when you're looking at getting the right product. You can go on alibaba.com, you can go on aliexpress.com, you can even go to ebay.com, but at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you select the right place to buy your product from, the right place to get your product from, and the right place to source your product from, and that is cjdropshipping.com. And the reason why I personally feel that CJ is such an amazing platform is because they give you the trending products. They give you the products that people are interested in. And the way they do it is quite simple and straightforward. They go in great detail to do the research to find out what is being watched, what is being bought and what is being looked at by customers. So you don't have to go and do primary research. You don't have to go do secondary research. They do all the legwork for you. All you need to do is select the right product and then get that product to your Shopify account and start selling on Shopify. What you need to do, I'm going to show you in 1 second. But before I do that, there's 2 elements I want to talk about. The first thing is the trending products. If you click on view more, you'll be taken to the complete list of the trending products that are available on cjdropshipping.com. Now, if you look at this particular website and if you look at these particular products, one of the major things that are going to stand out is the fact every single one of these products are unique. And these are those products that people want to use and people are interested in. And the best thing is the fact that you have the best possible price for these particular products, which you will not be able to find on other platforms. And that is the reason why I personally always recommend CJ Dropshipping to any individual that wants to start a dropshipping business, because they understand the dynamics of the sector, they understand the dynamics of the niche, and they understand exactly what products people want to buy and what products people want to sell. And in order to do that, you can select different products from here. But before you do that, there's an element that I want to highlight, which is the warehouse. And with CJ Dropshipping, you have warehouses everywhere across the globe. And if, for example, if you're in US, you want to make sure that you use a US warehouse. If you're in Thailand, you use a warehouse in Thailand. If you're in China or Germany or Indonesia or Australia, you want to make sure that you use the right warehouse. And the reason for this is because you want to decrease the delivery time. So let's head over to the Australian warehouse. And once we click on the Australian warehouse, we'll be able to see all the products that are available in Australia. And what is that going to do is that whenever you buy that particular product from CJ Dropshipping or connect that product to your Shopify account, you'll be able to get that product onto your Shopify account and get that fast to your customers and to your audience instantly, because it won't need to be shipped from China or the US, because these are all those items, these are all those products which are available in the Australian warehouse. So please guys, make sure that if your Shopify account is in Australia, it's in America, if it's in the UK, Europe, India, Malaysia, China, anywhere, make sure that you select the right warehouse to decrease the amount of time that it's going to take to get the product to your customer. So what we need to do now is link it. And how do you link it? It's quite simple and straightforward, guys. What you need to do is head back to your store over here and click on the app element over here. And once you click on it, just search for this particular thing, which is the CJ Dropshipping. And once you search for it, you'll get this app that's going to be available. We have to click the app for CJ Dropshipping. And what that is going to do is that it's going to give an option for us to add this app, install this app, which is going to be completely free. And obviously, once we do that, we can select all the different items which are available on the CJ Dropshipping and get those onto our Shopify. So let's go ahead and install this app and see how it works. Once you've installed it, you can go over to the app and see that the CJ Dropshipping has now been installed. Then you have to head back to your CJ account. And once you do over there, all you need to do is sign in and click on My CJ, which will take you to the dashboard. As you reach the dashboard, what you need to do is open the store authorization and click on Shopify. As you do that, you'll be able to add a store over here and link and authorize your Shopify account with your CJ account. And once you do that, you'll be able to get all those elements which are available on your Shopify account from CJ Dropshipping. Now, as you can see, we have all these products available and we're just gonna pin these products to our account on Shopify. Once we have done it, we will head over to our Shopify account and go to the products over here. As you can see, all the products that we have linked is gonna be available over here for us, and we can easily view these products in every single element over here, from the pictures and from the actual information. The specification and descriptions are gonna be taken from CJ Dropshipping. It is as simple, straightforward, and easy as that, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.